In this video, you'll learn how to add a horizontal line to an Outlook email to clearly separate sections. To get started, click New Mail to draft a message, and ensure you are in the Focused tab to view your primary inbox. Next, go to the message typing area and press and hold the hyphen key until it creates a continuous line. Next, click the Strike Through option. Then return to the message typing area and press and hold the spacebar until it forms a single continuous line. Next, click the Insert option, then select Table, and choose a one-on-one table. From here, then next, position the table properly, then drag its edge to make it wider. Now use the border color and border width options to make your line stand out. Choose the color, and select the border width option and click the 6pt your border line. Then open the Borders menu, select from the Border dropdown, and choose which borders to display. And then, I will first select No Border. Then, select Bottom Border to apply your style. And use the Borders dropdown again to select options such as No Border if you want to refine the result for a clean appearance. Finally, select the bottom border style for your row to create a simple, professional horizontal line in your email. You've just learned how to insert a horizontal line in an Outlook email.